Hello everybody, my name is Geek Etiquette and welcome to this update / apology. So I'm going to go straight in with the apology. The reason why I need to apologise is because I haven't been able to upload anything for the past week. Since Friday, my internet has been down. I haven't even been able to open up web pages to let you guys know, or barely. I managed to do it once. If you ever need updates on the channel and what's going on, I usually always update via the discussions tab, which also goes on to my Google+, and I try and get on Twitter as well now and then, which I did manage to do, I think on the Saturday it might have been, but I literally could not open any web pages at all. My download speed was at 0.13 maximum, and so there's a fault in the line, and because of where I live, we can't, fibre optic broadband isn't available, so I'm stuck with the maximum normally I get is 2 megabytes down, and my upload is 0.44 up. So you may know in the sort of like forums and groups and communities etc that I moan a lot about my internet, and this is probably just a bit of karma saying be thankful for what you've got. So yeah, I just really wanted to apologise that I haven't been able to get you up to date, because I literally had no access at all. It was really frustrating, it still is, but there's nothing I can do, so I just sort of persevere, and you know, I want to still upload videos even with that, so that, you know, you do what you got to do with what you've got. What else? And on the flip side of that, it has given me a chance to catch up with things like subtitles. I know I've been slacking behind with that. I do have Alan Wake and Project X subtitles already done. At the point of this video, hopefully I should have all the videos that I've uploaded up to date with subtitles. That doesn't make any sense, but you'll know what I mean. So this was kind of null and void, but hey ho. Yeah, so I've been able to catch up with that, which I know I was slacking behind a little bit. Again, I apologise, and that was mostly due to the fact of work was really crazy. It still kind of is, but yeah, so it's been kind of nice in a way to be able to sort of catch up on things, but frustrating nevertheless. What else? Update on the channel and sort of direction I've been taking. So you may or may not have noticed that I've started to do walkthroughs. Now these are the first time I've ever done any walkthroughs, and currently I've got Silent Hill 1 and Tomb Raider 1 as a walkthrough. Then by no means professional, and you know, as I say, they're the first time I've ever done a walkthrough, I've ever tried it, and so yeah, so hopefully you like it. What else? Webcam as well. I have been sort of taking a step back with walkthroughs with webcams, especially with the walkthroughs. I don't think they're really that needed. I will still use webcam now and then. It's just a little bit it's for my system and upload and stuff like that. It can put a bit of an extra strain, and it makes it a little bit more difficult to edit and cut, you know, videos short. So I will sort of hold back on webcams, and at least for now. I will use it now and then for certain games, like any sort of horror games, for obviously reactions, although I don't really react to horror games that much. The most you'll get out of me is and that's it. What else? So yeah, I'm focusing more on retro than I am sort of one-off videos on indie titles and, you know, sort of what everybody else is doing kind of thing. I feel that that's kind of more what I want to do and what I enjoy the most. I will still do the odd different game and more modern game. It's just it'll be sort of like once a week, maybe. But as I say, I just want it for variety, so you know, it's not just there's something for everybody kind of thing, I hope. And so yeah, I'm going to be mixing it up as well, so it's not just going to be the walkthroughs each week. I'm going to change the days that those videos will get released, and then maybe stick something else in there, and so we'll see, but let me know in the comments what you think. If you like the idea, you know, of going more retro and sort of steering not so much clear of indie games and one-off videos, but you know, just taking a step back a bit and sort of letting the professionals do that, I guess. But yeah, so let me know in the comments what you think, and again, I am really sorry about the lack of uploads. I haven't forgotten. I've been trying desperately to get in touch and let you know, but unfortunately I just literally haven't had the capacity to do it, so yeah. Anyway, so that's it for this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you awesome chums in the next video. Bye!